Welcome to this complete guide on MBA from Indira Gandhi National Open University. In this video, I will take you through the entire journey from admission to getting your final MBA degree in a simple step-by-step manner. Let's start with a quick overview. The IGNOU MBA program can be completed in a minimum of 2 years and a maximum of 4 years. The total fee is approximately 66,000 rupees, making it one of the most affordable MBA programs in India. It is approved by UGC and AICTE and offers multiple MBA programs like finance, HR, marketing, operations, and banking. Now, why should you choose IGNOU MBA? First, it is India's largest open university with NAC A++ accreditation. It offers a flexible schedule so you can study at your own pace. There is no requirement for work experience and it is suitable for both fresh graduates and working professionals. Also, the degree holds equal value as a regular MBA in India. Now, let's understand the program structure. The MBA is typically completed in 4 phases or semesters, but it is flexible. In the first and second phase, you study core subjects like management, marketing, finance, HR, economics, and operations. In the third phase, you choose your specialization and also complete your project work, which is MMPP 001. In the final phase, you complete remaining specialization and elective subjects. Overall, you need to complete 28 courses with around 112 to 116 credits. Now let's move to eligibility and fees. To apply, you must have a bachelor's degree with at least 50% marks or 45% for reserved categories. There is no age limit and no entrance exam is required. Even final year students can apply. The total program fee is around 66,000 rupees and exam fees are 200 rupees per course. Additionally, a project fee of 500 rupees is applicable. Now let's begin phase 1, admission process. First, check your eligibility. Then go to the admission portal and register yourself. Fill the application form carefully, select your program and choose your regional and study center. Upload required documents like photo, signature and mark sheets. After that, pay the admission fee and submit the form. Once your admission is confirmed, you will receive your enrollment number. Then download your ID card and access study materials from the eGyan portal. Also, for new sessions, creating ABC and APAR ID is mandatory. After admission comes study and assignments. IGNOU provides study material through eGyan mobile apps, and even TV and radio channels like Gyan Darshan. You can also attend counseling sessions at your study center. Assignments are very important because they carry 30% weightage. You must download assignments, write answers properly, attach the front page, and submit them before the deadline. Remember, you must score at least 40% in assignments and also pass the term and exam separately. Now, an important step that many students miss is re-registration. After each semester, you must re-register for the next semester through the official portal. Without this step, you cannot continue your course. Next is phase 4, term and examination. 9. IGNOU conducts exams twice a year in June and December. You need to fill the exam form, select subjects, and pay 200 rupees uh, per course. Then download your hall ticket and appear for the exam. And you can write your exam in Hindi or English. After exams, results are declared within 45 to 60 days. If needed, you can apply for re-evaluation. Now let's talk about the grading system. Grades range from A to E, and you must get at least a C grade to pass. Also, keep in mind that grade card updates can take time, especially for assignments and projects. Now comes the most important part, Phase 5, Project Work MMPP 001. This is a compulsory project of 8 credits. First, choose a topic related to your specialization. Then select a project guide. Prepare a synopsis and submit it to your regional center for approval. Only after approval, start your final project report, which is usually around 80 to 100 pages. Once your project is ready, get it signed by your guide. Then submit it to the registrar SED at IGNOU headquarters in Maidan Gadi, New Delhi, or submit online if IGNOU allows it for your session. Always keep proof of submission. Viva is usually not required for most ODL students. Now let's discuss some common mistakes students make. Many students miss assignment deadlines, forget re-registration, fill incorrect exam forms, or delay project submission. Avoid these mistakes to complete your MBA smoothly. Finally, phase 6, completion and degree. You must complete all 28 courses, assignments, exams, and project within 4 years. Then check your grade card status. After that, apply for your provisional certificate and register for convocation. You will first receive your provisional certificate and later your final MBA degree. So, in simple terms, your MBA journey includes admission, study, assignments, exams, project work, and finally receiving your degree. To summarize, IGNOU MBA is a flexible, affordable, and recognized program. But success depends on following the process correctly and meeting all deadlines. Your MBA journey starts here. Stay consistent, stay updated with official notifications, and you will successfully complete your degree. Thank you for watching.